Did you know that you can grow a thriving haven for frogs and fish and dragonflies and all manner of aquatic or semi-aquatic creatures in your backyard? It's quite easy with a pond. And thanks to those who voted in the last poll, and 75% of you wanted a 90-second native on another pond plant. So here we are, another 90-second native, which is where I tell you everything I can tell you about a native Australian plant in just 90 seconds. Just had to duck out and grab my stopwatch because I realized I forgot it. Okay, so 90-second native, and today's 90-second native candidate is a really important one, both in the wild and in, I guess you'd call them artificial water environments that you might have around your home. Let's get straight into it. It's Vallisneria nana. Hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Start the clock now. Okay, ribbonweed, often known as eel grass. It's a perennial that grows in either still or slowly flowing water. It's really, really good at oxygenating, which means it's often used in ponds and aquariums and things like that. Ribbon grass grows quite long and is a keystone species. Now what that means is that it's a species that provides a lot to its environment, and one that scientists look for when they're looking at the health of environments. This one provides food for fish and turtles and tadpoles. It also provides habitat, places for them to hide out. Just checking the time. It's also an indicator species, which means that when they see it, they identify it as a certain type of wetland. It's great in ponds, really easy to grow, but you should keep it in a pot if you don't want it to spread, because it will spread, and even mine escaped the pot anyway. So, but it's also edible, although this is controversial. Some people believe that it does contain toxic substances. Now, apart from that, it also contains, if you eat 100 grams of it, which is a lot, you'll get your full daily intake of calcium, phosphorus, and iron. Time's up. I missed out on so much stuff to tell you. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions about this one. And thanks for watching. If you've stuck it out this far and you'd like to support the channel, any kind of interaction is greatly appreciated and tells YouTube to show my videos to more people. Apart from that, next time we're going to get into either stingless bee stuff or into some other garden stuff, or fish for a native frog pond. So please let me know what you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and until we get into it again, have a great week.